Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back today with another makeup tutorial, feeling the purple today. And I do have to apologize in advance because I did go in with the Festival and Mirage palettes from Profusion Cosmetics. If you guys have seen my recent videos, I'm hooked, okay? I really tried today to use a different makeup palette. I can't do it. I can't put these ones down. And I was looking at them and they had all those like beautiful looking purples in here and I had to do it. And I promised to use a different palette in my next video, but I wanted to do one more, and why not purple? I feel like purple is just, it's a vibe in its own. You know what I mean? I love purple, especially on brown eyes and like green eyes. Actually, any eye. I feel like purple, like it just enhances and complements like any eye color. Now, there are other palettes on their website, like in like Walmart and Target, but I don't dare buy another Profusion eyeshadow palette, at least just not yet, because I feel like I can't. There's still so many endless opportunities with these ones, and you can guarantee you're going to see them on my channel again in the near future, but I'm going to try to like take a little break from them because I've been a little bit addicted. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so the brows are done, eyes are primed. I'm ready to go straight into the shadows. Now, typically I don't like to use more than one like eyeshadow palette when I'm filming, but I thought it would be cool just to kind of go between the two in today's video since I did a dedicated video per palette. Now, the first shade I'm going into is Bridesmaid from the Mirage palette. And for that shade, I'm going in with my Morphe Jeffree Star brush. This is the JS5, I think. So can you see the payoff on these shades? If you guys have not seen my previous videos with these eyeshadow palettes, I highly recommend. Now see, that's just like a light wash, and that's exactly what I was going for. So I'm now going to go into the shade Shell, and this is in the Festival palette. This is where the purple is going to like come into play. And this brush is that Morphe brush that does not have anything on it, so I'm not sure. I will try to link it down below. Jumping back into the Mirage palettes, I'm going into the shade Horizon, which is that really bright, vibrant purple. And that one I'm going in with a Moda Pro. This is the BMX 466 shader brush. Yep. Kind of like bring it up. I want to go beyond too much of those transition shades. Now I'm going into the shade Sunset in the Mirage palette. It's more like a purple iridescent shade. Let me see if I can. I feel like if we pop a little bit of that in the center of the eye, I don't know, I think it would be really nice, like add a little bit of dimension. But I want to go back into the shade Horizon on a smaller detailing brush. This is the Morphe M507. Go on this inner and outer a little bit in case we lost some of that. For mascara, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Mega Length. Been a while, and why not since it's purple. I'm going to give my lashes, top lashes, a quick coat for the falsies. For falsies, I am going in, these are new and I'm really excited because they look awesome in the packaging, but these are the Salon Perfect Extension Seeker 3D multi-dimensional tapered tips lashes. Look how pretty these look. I got them at Walmart, so hopefully they're good. So I'm going to go in and prime. I'm going to take a break from my NYX pore filler because I feel like I've been overusing that. So I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Baby Skin. I just like ones that fill in pores. For foundation today, I'm going to try this just on its own. I feel like it's been a while since I used it on its own because I usually mix it with, you guys know I love my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. So I'm going to see how this looks, and we'll pump in a few pumps of the NYX if we need to. All right, I'm getting sticky tweezers. What do they look like? They look good? Okay, going into that foundation. What a difference foundation makes, and I really do. I forgot how much I like that foundation, so I'm glad I was okay with it. So I didn't mix the NYX. This is just the, did I even tell you what I was using? This is the L'Oreal Infallible. This is their Fresh Wear, 24-hour Fresh Wear foundation. For concealer today, you guys know I've been hooked on the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This one's in the shade Bisque. Oh yeah, that's good. I think the lighter one would be too light. For setting powder, I am throwing a little curveball. I know you guys think I'm using my Milani or my Believe Beauty, but I have this in my collection. This is the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Lace. Taking my e.l.f. sponge, I'm going to blend out that concealer. So let's hurry up and set. Going in with the Lace powder. Man, I hope I like this because setting powders can mess things up for you. Okay, see, that does look good. I was pretty sure I liked that powder. Now, technically, this is a crease brush. I've used this on my channel before, but it's Ibby Beauty. It's their crease brush. It is good for the crease, but I really like it for smoking out the lower lash line. Take a little bit of Horizon and just start buffing this. These shades are just so pigmented. I can't get over it. I'm now going in with a Jordana eyeliner. This one is in the shade Purple Fusion. And I'm going to tug this in the lash line. I'm not sure if you could tell a difference there. I'm also going to toss this in my waterline while we're here. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going in with a Veramona. I don't know where I got this brush. It just says Veramona on it. And I'm going to go in to the shade Polite in the Mirage palette. Yeah. Nothing like super, super bright. A little something, something. I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in the shade Saddle. Just make sure you're using a very, 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 very light hand because this stuff is intense. This stuff's intense. And I still didn't wash my Jaclyn Hill brush from 2 videos ago. 1 video ago, 2 videos ago. So I'm going in with my Moda. I'll try to link it down below. It's just like a powder brush. Let's go on this side. Oh, see, that one looks good. I went too crazy over here. For blush, I'm going to go in with, this is the Tarte Amazonian Clay in Party, which looks like this. I feel like this would complement the eyes really well. Let's just pop them like right here. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, this brush, what's with me? I got to start. Oh, this is a Sonia Kashuk brush. It's just like a small duo fiber brush. Pretty shade. So since we're done with all of our powders, I had to repurchase another Milani Make It Last in the matte finish. I just got this bad boy yesterday. For highlights, I know I use the heck out of these as well, but this one's in, it's always this one or the molten gold. There's molten gold, which is obviously more gold, and then there's this one is the molten rose gold, which obviously hence like a little bit more of like a pink. Oh, look how pretty. Oh my god, I can't, like there's so many higher end highlights that just don't work like this. But it's like in my skin, you know what I mean? It's not, I feel like it's not like laying on top of the skin. It's like I'm really dewy underneath. Meanwhile, I'm like as dry as a desert under there. Lower lash mascara, Wet n Wild Mega Length. Now my lower lashes are pretty long. So I try not to like comb them down so much because they look like really weird. For lips, I think I want to do something neutral just because we kind of have like a lot going on the eye. So I want to do like a true nude lip and see what that looks like. So I think I'm going to start with the LA Girl. This is the lip liner in Sugar and Spice. Is this one? Yeah, Sugar and Spice. And to top the liner, I'm going in with the Maybelline Matte Ink in, which one's this one in? Seductress? So you guys, this completes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and hopefully you've been enjoying the different looks that I've been creating with the Profusion Cosmetics palettes, the Festival and the Mirage. And I tried to use a different palette, and like when I was sitting, kind of like figuring everything out, I was like, Alicia, you got to use a different palette, but I couldn't. I had to get them. I saw the purples in here. I was like, okay, you know what? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna film this video today with these purple shades, and then I promise you in my next video I'm going to use a different palette, okay? I promise you. So yeah, if you guys liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and definitely subscribe if you haven't already. I do upload weekly, so definitely hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss any videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.